असतो मा सद्गमय असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय शांति शांति शांति। असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। असतो मा सद्गमय असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति 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 असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति 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 असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति 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 असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ
शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति
असतो मा
सद्गमय
तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय शांति शांति शांति। असतो मा
सद्गमया
तमसो मा
Good evening everyone. Good evening to the evening session. Before we start the session, as usual, can you please confirm if you can hear me and see me so that we can start the session? Good evening Renu. Good evening Asha. Meenakshi, good evening. Good evening Tapasya, Priyanka, Shaheen, Surendra ji, very good evening. Good to start. Thank you so much for joining this evening. It's as usual very wonderful to be with you all. Let's start today's session by bringing our mind to this present moment. Keep your back straight. Close your eyes. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Open your palm on your lap. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breathing. Take your attention to your palm and feel your palm. Feel your fingers. Become aware of the gaps between the fingers. Let go of everything. Let go of any stress. Let go of any thoughts. Bring back yourself to this present moment. Next 1 hour just for yourself. Rejuvenating, revitalizing mind, body, energy. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Feel your palm. Keep your back erect. Keep feeling your palm. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Attention on your palm. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Slowly, slowly open your eyes. Welcome to the evening session. Once again, I am here with you. To go on this wonderful journey. Heartful thanks to all of you who join every day. I look forward every day to be with you. This is one of the time where I meet myself. Before we start today, a small story I heard that all our desires are only for one thing, to get the happiness and peace. Whether you want to buy a house, whether you want to buy a car, whether you want to get married, whether you want to have a job, or whether you want to have kids. The deep rooted thought behind is to find the happiness in life. It is other thing that once we go through all this desire, peace is nowhere to be found. Now, peace and happiness is not outside, but the illusion is this, that if I do this, I will be happy. If I do that, I will be happy. If I get that, I will be happy. It takes whole lifetime to just understand this simple thing, that the peace and happiness lies inside us. And in this session, we try to explore and experience on an experiential basis that everything is inside us. Outside is just a projection of our own mind. The same world can be perceived in a different way. Those who don't have anything, they want something to find happiness. And those who have everything, they are also looking for happiness. How important peace and happiness is can be understood by the person who have lost it. No matter what wealth we have, what comfort we have, if there is no peace or no blissfulness, everything becomes meaningless. Even our own family becomes meaningless if our own being is not peaceful and blissful. And our effort every day is this, that you learn small techniques to beautifully enjoy this life peacefully, blissfully, and all your action comes out of that peacefulness and blissfulness. Because we see a lot of people struggling, we think that struggling is the way of life. Because most of us don't know how to achieve that without doing anything. So we explore this, how we can have peace and blissfulness. There are various methods we learn every day. And by now, looking at your messages I get, I feel very happy that most of you are trying to understand and implement in day-to-day life, which is the aim of all these sessions. The story which I heard was, there was a beggar who sat in one corner for most of his life. He sat on a box and kept begging for most of his life. One day, a stranger passed by and curiously asked this beggar, "What are you sitting on?" He said, "I am just sitting on this box." And the stranger asked, "What is inside the box?" And he said, "I don't know, never looked into it." He said, "Can you open it?" He said, "There is no point. I've been sitting on this box as long as I can remember. There is no point in opening this box. I never felt a need of opening this box." Still the stranger insisted. Just for my curiosity, can you open this box? And the beggar said, let's see what is in the box. And they opened the box. Much to his surprise, the box was filled with all the diamonds, gold, and gems. And he was sitting on it for most of his life, never realized to look inside the box. That is the story of all human beings. That there is such a big treasure hidden inside all of us. Before we came here, we were sent with that treasure. But since we are very habitual of looking outside, we never had this wisdom to look inside. Many of you will say, but we are not the beggar. But if you look closely, whole time, all our desire is nothing but asking this, asking that. I get this, I get that. One after another, whole life is nothing but the begging process. And no matter what we get, at the end of the day, we still feel empty. If our desires are fulfilled, we become more empty. If you closely look into your desire and fulfillment, if you look back, you will see that after every desire comes the next desire, we never feel fulfilled. In other words, the distance between our desire and fulfillment always remains the same, irrespective of desire get fulfilled or not. But that journey is important to understand that whatever we are looking, that is inside us only. And if we learn small techniques, tools, we can access it anytime, anywhere, any place, irrespective of caste, creed, nationality. We all have that treasure inside us. In this evening session, we try to tap and see and experience that treasure, and one day will become our habit to be in that state, that we no longer will be compelled to act on every thought and emotions. Our mind can be best employee and we can use it the way we want. We can take back the control and not let it run on its own. It's absolute responsibility of every human being that his own mind, that his own body listens to him. Nobody wants a miserable life. Nobody wants depression. Nobody wants anxiety. Nobody wants emptiness. But still we keep manifesting this only because of this simple reason that we have lost our ownership on our mind and body. The day we take back our rightful ownership of our mind and body, we experience that everything is in our hand. Outside things are just the trigger. No matter what we say, but we are responsible for what goes inside this mind and inside this body. And since we don't consciously choose the way we are, the mind and body takes over. and run its own rights. Nothing can help us unless we help ourselves and learn these simple techniques. Without taking much of your time, we start Kriya now. To do Kriya, one simple thing we need to follow, that whatever we do, we become mindful of all our actions, we become mindful of all our thoughts, just become observer as a third person, that this body and mind sitting here, let's see what it is doing. Without judging, analyzing, comparing, just being present and feeling what is happening right now in this moment. You are at home, there will be some disturbance. So don't create any resistance in you. Accept everything as it is. Somebody making noise, sound, accept that as well. Create no resistance, like you are not there at all. Everything is getting passed through you, not getting stuck or not creating any resistance. Second, we give 100% to what we do and become mindful of every movement. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly let it go. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly let it go. With next long deep breathing, we'll chant Am 3 times. Take long and deep breathing. Take long and deep breathing. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly turn your head towards left as much as possible. Feel every movement. Slowly bring your hand, palm onto your right cheek. Feel the touch of palm and press your cheek onto the right palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly. Watch the flight of your hand going down. Neck tilting to your right. Now left palm onto the left cheek. Feel the touch of your palm. Heat, cold. Press it on your palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly hand going down. Now front of your forehead. Press your palm onto your forehead, feeling the warmth of your forehead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back of your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly hand going down. Very mindful. Again towards left. Palm on your cheek. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly going down. Towards right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back of your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again bringing down slowly, slowly, mindfully. Now chin touching chest, going up. Feel the movement of your neck coming down. Reverse, going up, going down, going up, going down, going up, going down, going up. Feel each movement. Going up, going down. Now your palm on your knees, making 360-degree round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make sure your shoulder blade touching each other. Now we'll do Kriya for Anahata Chakra. Both the palm on your thigh, going back as much as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. With my counting, keep stretching more. 1, opposite. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you can keep your eyes closed, that's very good. You can then feel more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now touching your forehead to the knee. Come back. Feel all the movement, feel all the stretch. Manipuraka Chakra, going up, again going down, coming up, 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 going down, up, going down, up. We'll make full rotation from left, center, right. With holding knees, go back as much as possible. And feel the stretch on your back, spine and your neck. Be in the moment. Become aware of all the thoughts, emotions, stiffness in the body. Observe your mind and body as a third person, as if somebody else is doing. You just become aware of what's happening in this moment without any mental commentary. Opposite. Very good. Open your left leg. Put your right leg onto your left leg. Press it to the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep your eyes closed. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shishupalasana, rocking baby pose, right leg on your hand, interlocking finger. With eyes closed, feel the stretch. Feel your tip of your tailbone. Kiss your baby on the toes. Opposite leg. Hold attention on your breathing. Kiss your baby on the toes. Both the legs now together. Butterfly pose. As close to as your genitals. Going up as much as possible. Going down as much as possible. Up, down, 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 up, down. Relax. Keep your back straight. We'll do pranayam now. Bhastrika, then we will do Kapalbhati and Anulom Vilom, putting more oxygen into our body, revitalizing all the organs on cellular level. When oxygen goes into every cell, it revitalizes. The oxygen is lifeline of all our body cells. Both the hand beside your shoulder. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Mouth closed only with the nostril. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, out, in, 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 out. Relax, back straight, palm open on lap. Feel the sensation on your palm. One more time. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Keep doing. Forcefully breathe in and forcefully breathe out. Relax. Again, attention on your palm, feeling sensation on your palm. One more last time. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Relax. Become aware of the silence surrounding you. Kapalbhati, only exhaling. Don't inhale, only exhale. Inhalation will happen automatically. Mouth closed only with the nose. Push your stomach in and exhale your breath out. Start 30 times. Relax. Try to listen to the silence surrounding you. One more time, start. Relax. Again become aware of the sound of silence. Try to listen to the silence. Become aware of the silence and try to listen it. One more last time. Start. Relax. Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing. Put your right thumb on right nostril. Take long and deep breathing. Close your left nostril with pinky finger. Exhale through right nostril. Again, breathe from right nostril in. Long and deep breathing. Long and deep breathe out. Long and deep breathing. Long and deep breathe out. Long and deep breathing. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Take long and deep breathing. Long and deep breathe out. Feel the breath going in and out, touching your nostril. Breathe in and out. Alternate nostril. Take long and deep breathe in. Long and deep breathe out. Take long and deep breathe in. Long and deep breathe out. Take long and deep breathe in. Long and deep breathe out. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. Take long and deep breathe in and breathe out. Take long and deep breathe in and out. Keep doing it. Take long and deep breathe in, breathe out. 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 Relax both the palm on your lap, back straight. Try to be as still as possible. Repeat after me. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the thoughts. I am not even the emotions. Body keep changing. Mind keep changing. Thoughts keep changing. Emotions keep changing. I never change. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. Body keep changing, mind keep changing, thoughts keep changing, emotions keep changing. I never change. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. Body keep changing, mind keep changing, thoughts keep changing. Emotions keep changing. I never change. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. Body keep changing. Mind keep changing. Thoughts keep changing. Emotions keep changing. I never change. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the body, I am not even the mind.
I am not the body,
I am not even the mind. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. Body keep changing. Mind keep changing. Thoughts keep changing. Emotions keep changing. I never change. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not
the body,
I am not
even
even
the mind.
I am not the body. I am not even
the mind.
Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. With next long deep breath in, we'll chant Am 3 times. When the humming start, keep teeth on teeth and feel the vibration. Take long and deep breath in. 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 Just sit relaxed, back straight, neck little bit tilted up. Just sit relaxed, do nothing. Take your attention to your face and feel the sensation on your face. Take attention to your forehead and feel the sensation on your forehead. Sensation can be anything like cold, heat, sweating, itching. But just observe, don't try to change them. Take attention to your eyes. Eyelids and feel the sensation on them. Don't try to change them. Take attention on your nose and feel the sensation on your nose. Take attention on your upper lip. Feel your upper lip. Take attention on both the lips. Feel the sensation on your both the lip. Some of you might feel dry, wet. Don't try to change it. Take attention to your chin. Feel your chin. Take attention to your right cheek and scan your right cheek for any kind of sensation. Don't try to change it. Take attention to your left cheek. Scan your left cheek. Take attention to your left ear and scan your entire left ear. Take attention to your right ear. Feel the sensation on right ear. Take attention on your throat. Feel your throat. Take attention on your chest and observe the incoming, outgoing breath. Observe the chest expanding and contracting. With every incoming breath and outgoing breath, you will see the movement of your chest. Take attention onto your stomach and become aware of stomach movement with inside and outside breath. Take attention on your palm, feel your palm. Feel your back of your palm. Feel your fingers. Become aware of the sensation between your fingers and the sensation. Take attention to your soles and feel the sensation of cold heat on your soles. Again, bring back your attention on your stomach and feel the movement of your stomach. Bring attention on your chest. Feel the movement of your chest. Now take attention on your breath and feel your breath coming in, going out. Feel the touch of breath inside your nostril. Just keep watching your breath. Just observe your breath coming in, going out. Feel the touch of your breath inside your nostril. Become observer of your incoming, outgoing breath. Now relax and feel your inner body. Feel your head from inside. Feel your face from inside. Feel your palm from inside. Feel your chest from inside. Feel your stomach from inside. Feel your back from inside. Feel your lower back from inside. Feel your fingers from inside. Feel your both legs from inside. Feel your knees from inside. Feel your calves from inside. Feel your soles from inside. Feel your entire body aura from inside. Take your attention to your heart and feel the movement of your heart beating inside your chest. and try to listen to its noise, its sound. Entire attention on heart. Try to feel the movement of your heart and try to listen the sound of heart beating. न सबूत है न दलील है, न सबूत है न दलील है, मेरे पास रब जलील है, मेरे पास रब जलील है, न सबूत है न दलील है। तेरी रहमतों में कमी नहीं, तेरी रहमतों में कमी नहीं, तेरी रहमतों में कमी नहीं, मेरी एहतियात में ढील है, मेरी एहतियात में ढील है, न सबूत है न दलील है, मेरे पास रब जलील है, न सबूत है न दलील है। मुझे कौन तुझसे अलग करे, मुझे कौन तुझसे अलग करे, मुझे कौन तुझसे अलग करे, मैं अटूट प्यास तू झील है, मैं अटूट प्यास तू झील है, मैं अटूट प्यास तू झील है। तेरा नाम इतना है मुक्त सर, तेरा नाम इतना है मुक्त सर, तेरा नाम इतना है मुक्त सर, तेरा जिक्र कितना अजीज है, तेरा जिक्र कितना अजीज है, तेरा जिक्र कितना अजीज है, न सबूत है न दलील है, मेरे पास रब जलील है, मेरी एहतियात में ढील है, मैं अटूट प्यास तू झील है, मैं अटूट प्यास तू झील है, तेरा जिक्र कितना अजीज है, तेरा जिक्र कितना अजीज है। टेक लॉन्ग एंड डीप ब्रीदिंग, slowly slowly let it go. Take long and deep breathing, slowly slowly let it go. Whenever you feel complete, you may open your eyes. once again, thank you so much for joining today. It's always a pleasure. I'm very happy to announce that almost 18 people have registered for Mind, Body, Spirit program with me here. Since we're taking this online session, we'll be doing that on Saturday, Sunday at my home. Already 3 batches are now booked. Those of you who feel that there is so much to learn in this life, I welcome you to join. And I have made a resolution now that I am going to build a very big wellness center for all of us in Blue Mountain or somewhere serene place, so that everyone can come and stay there with me and learn techniques, learn things which will be with us in this life and beyond. Those who would like to support this initiative can join Mind, Body and Wellness Spirit program. Will be doing lot more programs now, putting lot more effort so that we can build this program. So your support will be very much appreciated. If you are online, please say hello. And I'm going to play a beautiful Mahadev bhajan now, and you can all see, and I welcome you to join all the programs with me. And let's see this bhajan and sing this bhajan, and I will respond to you as soon as the bhajan finishes. Tomorrow morning, again 8 o'clock, we meet on Zoom. I will share the Zoom details on WhatsApp and on Facebook. So tomorrow morning we'll do physical exercise, Surya Namaskar, Pranayam and meditation. Tomorrow morning 8 o'clock to 9:30. I will share the details very soon with you.
सब कह रहे हैं आदि योगी, योग के स्पर्श से अब योग में करना है तन मन। सांस शाश्वत सनन सननन, प्राण गुंजन अनन गणनन, उतरे मुझ में आदि योगी, योग धारा चलक छन छन। सांस शाश्वत सनन सननन, प्राण गुंजन गणन गणनन, उतरे मुझ में आदि योगी, उतरे मुझ में आदि योगी। पीस दो अस्तित्व मेरा और कर दो चूरा चूरा, पूर्ण होने दो मुझे और होने दो अब पूरा पूरा।